have just recently collaborated with MentorX, and the founder member of MentorX, Dr. Munish Ji Jindal, who's from Ludhiana, he would like to express something right here. So I'd like to request Munish Ji to please.
Thank you, Shilpa ji. Namaste, Smita ji. I'm so glad that digitally we are able to communicate with each other. I have been seeing you on TV since my formative years, your powerful presence on TV. And what a transformation, right? From a Bollywood actress, and you became the author, and I'm seeing the spiritual side.
I have to show you all my books, by the way.
Oh, I would love to see them. See,
so
glad I took the name that you're author.
Yeah, thank God. So this is my first book.
Tomorrow. Wonderful.
Before tomorrow.
Wonderful. At least I will request you one author signed copy to be sent to Express.
Sure.
Yes, we will get one from them.
And this is the second one, In Everness.
Oh, wow. In Everness. Wonderful. Wonderful.
So they are available on Amazon for whoever is watching and would be interested. They are available on Amazon, so you all can definitely buy them.
But our author signed copy is always a valuable gift.
Yes, yes, yeah, I will send it to you.
Express grant.
Yes. I have to figure out with Shilpa how to send it to you, but I will send the author signed copy.
That is indeed kind of you. And it's one people like you who become inspiration for all of us. Do I too write, but I write on technical side on artificial intelligence and data analytics and all. But I'm so glad to see your transformation and the way you are inspiring masses. And I'm glad that Shilpa ma'am, Kapil sir, and Oliver sir, they gave me this opportunity to be part of this wonderful session, along with our collaboration with Granth Express. Thanks to all of you, and thank you, ma'am, for inspiring us.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Munish. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Munish. And now for the final concluding words, I would like to request our mentor of Granth Express, Mr. Aliyavar Inamdar, please.
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Smita ji, pranam. It's such a pleasure and honor to be witnessing you live on our platform. Shilpa has done a wonderful job by inviting you on this platform, and I cannot thank her so much. And I just connected with you on the theory of relativity thing, because when we talk about spirituality, there's a small video link which was published by NASA, I suppose. It's called as Deep Pale Blue. Yeah. And they just show you how insignificant the person that we are, or how insignificant Earth is. The state that you mentioned, you can just be a silent observer. And from that moment, the words came out of your mouth. I have been trying to stay in that state so that I connect with you right till now.
Wow. My God. Thank you so much. That was amazing.
Yeah. And I feel that thing. I feel the calmness, the Shanti, Vishwa Shanti in me right at this moment. And I just, the Dhyana thing again you said, ध्यान विचलित नहीं होना है. So I just said, शांत बैठ, तेरा वक्त आएगा, स्मिता जी के साथ होगा.
Thank you. Thank you so
So
much.
it's such a wonderful thing. And I used to think कि जो औरत दुनिया की सबसे खूबसूरत औरत है, जिसको कहते हैं ऐश्वर्या राय, और उसकी माँ कितनी खूबसूरत होगी जब हम दिल चुके सनम. आज हमको पता चल रहा है कि जिसको दिल देना चाहिए वो तो यहाँ पे है हमारे सामने. Lovely moment.
What is that NASA ka link you said again? Tell me again. Where they show that we have sold.
Pale blue. I'll send you the link. Pale blue.
Pale blue. Yeah, pale blue. Yeah, we are really
just a link where the satellite is taking off from close to the moon,
and
where it sees the Earth.
Yeah,
and it goes beyond Neptune.
Yes, I've seen it, but I forgot the name. Yes.
Yeah, see tiny specks in space, and then we are nowhere. And then you are talking about the 6th and the 7th level.
Yes.
And in every religion, we've got the 7th level. जो कलीमुल्ला है, means where we जो दर्शन होते हैं, और वो दर्शन हर एक की किस्मत तो छोड़ दीजिए, हर एक की वो काबिलियत भी नहीं होती है कि वो उस लेवल पे पहुंच सके.
That's true.
Yeah, and now we are talking, it all is coming out together. सब एक साथ में आ रहा है. The 7 chakras of earth, the 7 chakra of your own body, and the 7 levels of spirituality.
Yes, 7 realms. Yeah.
Yes, the 7 realms. And such a wonderful session to connect with you. Means, ये अगर Zoom का ये effect है तो personally कितना होगा?
That is true. That is true. Through this Zoom, वो energy इतनी नहीं feel होती जितनी की person 1-to-1 पे feel होती है.
Yes, yes. Even right now also I am perspiring. Just the cooling off effect is happening with me.
Thank you. That's
so it's such a fantastic experience. And thank you so much for being on our platform.
Thank you.
Shilpa, you've done a commendable job. Kapil is our guru. So
I mentioned here that Smitaji and me, we have been Facebook friends since quite a time. I've been following her a lot. मेरे लिए भी it was surprising. Oh, she's such an amazing actress and she's into this as well. So, and then just I think 3 days back before we spoke to Smitaji, Smitaji had just put a post regarding Sushant Singh Rajput, right? How the things happened. And that's when it clicked that I think this is something really important that people should know. कि failures आते रहेंगे, चीजें होती रहेंगी, but taking our own life is not the solution, not even the last choice you should
No, not 100%.
So that's why and I thought that no one better than Smitaji can explain this to people, the divine, the inner self, the soul, and the connection. So, and participants and all the members, I would really happily would like to tell you, I just texted her on Messenger and I explained what I exactly want of her, and she immediately shared her number and we got talking and just finalized the things. It just happened like that, that was a divine connection, I feel.
It just sometimes certain things just fall in place because they have to.
That's what
absolutely.
Expression is all about. The moment you see, we all communicate, but when we express it in the right form, it gets communicated.
Yes.
People listen.
That is true.
Listening is a very active thing, and that is what Granth Express is all about. We started with Granth because there is so much wisdom, so much knowledge over there. And if you are lacking expression, you just have to go and pick up any book, pick up anything, and you can express yourself through that. Or you can find a channel through that. And that is what Granth Express is all about. And even we can express through, like you said, through pranic healing or chakras and so many meditative things. And India has so much to offer. India has so much to offer to the world.
So much.
The individual has got so much to offer to the world. We are so much, and we are so blessed. So this is what all this platform is all about. Granth Express. Express yourself. And if you can't express yourself, no issues. You still got all the people around you who are here to help you out, who are here to listen to you. And you can express through poetry, prose, through acting, through whatever medium, through painting, through sports, whatever. But express yourself.
True.
Because that's the whole purpose of our life. That is what I think, ma'am.
So yesterday I was on another Zoom call and they were saying that but actors don't like to express themselves. They don't want to come out in the open as to what their inner issues are. So I said, that's fine if they don't want to, and nobody can be forced to tell your own private whatever life it is, but they can express themselves to themselves, no?
Exactly.
वो तो अपने आप के साथ connection करोगे, अपनी divinity के साथ connection करोगे, तो express to your own higher sacred self. You don't have to tell the world, but tell someone. So you can still be secretive about your things. You may not want to come out open in whatever, but you can tell your higher sacred self. That is where the connection with the soul comes in. Be in touch with the soul, then you don't have to tell the public कि मैं ऐसी हूँ, मैं वैसा हूँ, या मैं drugs लेता हूँ, मैं smoke करता हूँ, मैं drink करता हूँ. Relation, हमको किसी की राम कहानी सुनने का कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. हमको सिर्फ इंटरेस्ट है that you don't fall down. You uplift yourself. That is the only interest. You connect with your own self. Tell your own higher sacred self.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And here I would like to thank Munish also, Dr. Munish Jindal. He's been so supportive of this and MentorX platform. We just had a small chat with him, and Shilpa texted him something, and he was gracious enough to collaborate. And today, Granth Express is present from. We are proud that we are present from Bangalore to Ludhiana in North. So Granth Express is also growing, and with people like you joining us on this platform, we are blessed. And we are blessed because we have participants who are here, who participate, and who come over here, and they express themselves through question and answers. They want some clarity. And we have been organizing storytelling sessions, writing sessions, and so many. And these are all different forms of expressions. So I thank people from Nasik also. They have been over here. They have been supporting us. We are based out of Nasik, so that's one place that we really love. The other thing is the Ashoka Education Foundation. They have been supporting Granth Express, and they have students and teachers. They have been coming to our platform. We have the business fraternity from Nasik, especially from BNI. Kapil is the president of one of the chapters. So they have been coming over here. So I thank everyone who is participating over here from every part of the world, not only in India, from other parts of the world. They have been coming in over here. And especially Smita ma'am, it's such a pleasure watching you, listening to you, and experiencing whatever I have experienced on this platform. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Shilpa, final words of conclusion from you. We are already running out of time. We have been tackling Smita ma'am for long.
Yeah, और 1.5 घंटा हो गया अभी तो अपना.
कि आप जो बोल रहे हैं वो रुके. ऐसा लग रहा है we should just go on and we should just listen to you what you want to tell us.
I've been talking so much, my throat is also gone now. I mean, every day I'm on some Zoom call or the other. But I can understand. Thank you.
Yes. So just out of curiosity, Smita ma'am, possibly if in case we have a lot of people who would like to have an online workshop with you, is that possible?
Yes, we can do an online workshop. We'll have to understand the logistics and all that. But of course it will not be free. I can't do a workshop free. There's no on that. So we'll break it up in 2 days or something like that. Saturday, Sunday, if it suits. And Shilpa, we can talk about it. But before that, I really honestly suggest you all do that both, which is coming on the 28th, which is free.
Okay.
So get in touch with Vandana Sawant and do that one first. So it will be easier for you to, move on the path. फिर हमारा जब program sort हो जाएगा, by the time it will take a little while. But don't drop off, don't like it start petering off. People start sort of, okay, देखेंगे करेंगे, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. I'll need at least about 15 to 20 participants to do a workshop.
Right. Absolutely. We'll take care of that for sure. Great. So thank you so much once again, Smita ji, and we'll be in touch. Thank you for all the blessings, and have a wonderful day ahead. And
take care of yourself, your mental health and your physical health in these days, and stay put. Okay, we will all together tide over this.
Right.
All together we'll tide over this. Yeah, we have to. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. I leave the meeting.
Okay? So much. A wonderful day, and please do like and follow us on Insta and Facebook, and on LinkedIn as well. So Granth Express is there. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a blessed day ahead.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Smita ji. Mumbai.
Kapil.
Hello. Yes, sir.
अरे आपके पापा है पीछे?
हाँ पापा है ना सर. एक मिनट मैं स्पीकर ऑन करता हूँ। हाँ लिसन, मैंने स्पीकर ऑन किया।
यस 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 यस।
हेलो
नमस्ते जी। है आवाज आ रही है?
सर एक बार अभी बोलिए।
मैंने कहा जी नमस्ते।
नमस्ते नमस्ते।
कैसे है सर?
ठीक है, आराम है, अभी बस बैठे हैं घर पे।
अरे बढ़िया है।
रेस्ट चल रहा है, रेस्ट 22 मार्च से।
अरे मैं सुना आप